Hi everyone, so welcome to day one of the 7 days of yoga for beginners. And today we're going to be focusing on our upper bodies. So this practice will be seated on your mat or on a comfortable flat surface. And we're going to begin straight away. So we're not going to need any props today for this practice. We can just use our bodies. And we're going to be bringing awareness to the breath throughout this whole practice. And at the end, if you like, you can give yourself a 5 to 7 minute shavasana when we're finished. So I'm not going to be taking you through that part in these challenges. So do explore that in your own time if you feel like you need to. For now, we'll begin in a comfortable seated position. So if you want to be kneeling or on a chair, that's entirely up to you. But otherwise, coming onto the ground or a flat surface or your mat in a comfortable seat, cross-legged, and just closing off your eyes, growing tall through the spine. So start to bring awareness to the upper body. And notice how it's feeling. For today's practice, we're going to be focusing on releasing any tension, knots, and stiffness that you might be holding in the upper body. So we'll begin by using the breath. Take a few deep inhales and exhales, slowly releasing. Inhale. And exhale fully. And again, deep inhale. And exhale fully. And one more, inhale. And exhale fully. Give yourself a moment and then start to take some deep inhales and exhales through the nose, just becoming familiar with your breath. So deep inhales into the lower abdomen region, through the nostrils, and exhale. And this is the breath that you're going to use to guide you through your practice today. And then when you're ready, slowly opening up your eyes, and then we're going to take our hands onto our shoulders. So we're having our elbows facing outwards, nice and straight and in one line. And then we're going to make big circles with the elbows going outwards. So inhaling and taking them up, and exhaling back and round. I'm going to do this 10 times. And as you do this, you might start to hear some knots releasing. I can hear mine, you might even hear mine. Good, stay connected to the breath. And slowly release the hands. Take the hands onto the knees with the palms facing down. Again, just growing that little bit taller through the spine. And then you're going to take the head over to the right side, so right ear towards the right shoulder. And just taking that left hand out towards the left side of the body. And you're either going to stay here breathing into that left side of the neck, or place the right hand on your left ear or the left side of your head and take 5 breaths. Just feeling that stretch along the left side of the neck. Good, slowly release. Bring the head to the left side, left ear to left shoulder, and take the right hand out to the right side, just coming up onto the fingertips, and gently press down on the right side of the head or the right ear. And then taking 5 breaths here. Good, slowly release and place the hands back on the knees with the palms facing down. Going to drop the chin all the way down to the chest, as if you're creating a double chin. So just touching the chest with the chin if you can. And relax the shoulders, draw them away from the ears. Take a few breaths into the thoracic spine and the back of the neck. And then you're going to slowly start to take some head circles all the way around. So inhaling as you come up and exhale back and round. Inhale, lift up. Exhale back and round. Inhale, lift up. And exhale back and round. And then just taking it the other way, inhaling as you lift up. Exhale back and round. And make the circles as big as you can. Good, take a couple more. And then slowly coming back to center. So you should be feeling a little sense of relief already. And now we're going to take our right arm out. So extend the right arm out and then you're going to bend the right elbow. So touching the right shoulder with the right hand and just rest your right arm on your left hand. We're going to take some elbow rotations. So starting going clockwise, we're going to take the hand all the way out, extending the elbow out. And then back round. So you want your fingertips to touch or brush your right shoulder as you do this. And again, we're going to do this 10 times. Using the breath, inhaling as you come up. And exhaling all the way round. Good, and then moving on to the other side, extending the left arm out, bend the left elbow and touch or brush your left shoulder with the left fingertips. And then going clockwise 10 times. Good, and release. And that subtle movement, you will notice, probably has a really big impact on your upper arms. So moving on to our next posture, just taking the right arm behind you and the left hand outside of the right knee or the right leg. Coming onto the right fingertips. Inhale as you lengthen and lift through the spine. Exhale and twist and take drishti or gaze over your right shoulder. We'll take 5 breaths here. Coming back through center and moving on to the left side. So left hand behind, right hand outside of the left knee or the left leg. Inhale and lengthen and exhale and twist. Looking over your left shoulder, take 5 breaths. Good, slowly come back through center and then you're going to take the arms all the way up and just catch hold of your elbows. And then you're going to open through the chest as much as you can, breathing into the chest area. Try and draw the shoulder blades together as much as you can. And then take the head up, opening through the throat. 5 breaths. Good, slowly release. And then bring both arms out in front of you, extending both arms. Take the right arm on top of the left, bending at the elbows, interlace your hands. And if this isn't accessible for you, just having the backs of the hands touching. And inhale, lengthen and lift the elbows up. We'll take a few breaths here. Move the elbows towards the right slightly. Take a few breaths. And then over to the left and take a few breaths. Good, slowly release. And then you're going to shift your position, so you're going to be facing the front of your mat. And then you're going to come into Anahatasana. So take the knees slightly behind you and extend the arms out in front, melting the heart center or the chest down to the ground. And just breathing into the upper body, the shoulders. We'll stay here for 10 breaths. Good. Slowly start to shift your weight onto the front of the body and keeping the elbows down, forearms down onto the ground, legs out behind you just as wide as the mat, and then just lifting the upper body slightly up and gazing towards the tip of your nose. Take 5 breaths here. Good, and then slowly push yourself back into a wide-legged balasana. So big toes together, knees as wide as the mat, extending the arms forward and staying here for 10 breaths. And then slowly start to bring yourself back up. So that completes our first day of the 7-day yoga for beginners. That should take you nicely on to our next video, which I'll be posting tomorrow.